Hi guys, today's video is about making stickers using Leonardo AI. Now I'm going to put the link in description box for this software. You can access it for free from there. Then you have to create an account. I'm using TempMail for this purpose because you know that TempMail generates temporary emails that we can use for free tokens that are required to use these softwares. Now after you click that link in my description box, you are going to land over here. You have to log in into your account first, and then you have to scroll down until you see this fine-tuned models option. You have to click this option and then go to community models, and in the gallery bar you have to search for stickers. It will give you different styles. You can see over here I have been given these options. I'm going to select any one style that I like. You can choose any of your choice. I'm going to select this one. Now I'm going to click generate with this model. Now here you have to type a prompt. You can write orange driving a cycle, and first you have to write sticker of orange driving a cycle with white outline. Now you can see that I have written this prompt over here, and now I'm going to click enter and it will produce stickers for me. Now you can see that it has used my credits and they are left 90. I have produced 4 images. They will take a while for loading and processing. I'll come back after they are loaded. So guys, here you can see that it has generated these stickers for me. This is an easy process that you can use to generate stickers on Leonardo.ai, and I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Now you can copy or download these stickers and use them for free.